What's up guys, my name is Caleb and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out and leave a like if you enjoy the content. So this video is a pretty chill video where I take you guys along with me on this journey. This video was actually shot a while back during the Chinese New Year holiday, hence all the red colors and all the festivities going on. So yeah, this was a while ago during the Chinese New Year and I wasn't able to release this video till now because I had to prepare some of the film rolls. On this day I did some film photography and I wasn't able to show the film photos right away. I had to go develop the photos and now I have them ready, and that's why this video is just coming out now. So yeah, on this day I walked around and I was able to get some cool film photos, and I hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a really chill, relaxed video. And also something pretty crazy happened, you know, when I was flying my drone, so stick around to know what happened.
This number one is come for children.
Oh.
Yeah. Are you married?
No.
No?
Not married.
Have children?
No children.
No children?
Yeah.
Maybe this one good for sleep is nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Don't want to buy?
No.
Maybe you can take one, alright.
Next time.
This is handmade.
Oh, handmade. Interesting, but yes, next time I'll buy.
Sure?
Yeah. Alright. You speak so good in English. Yeah. Of course. Alright, so crazy thing happened. I was just flying my drone trying to get some shots, like some aerial shots. Then you know, first time this has ever happened to me, there was a security person who actually stopped me and was like, hey, you can't fly your drone here. But then I think that is very interesting. It's the first time it's ever happened to me. So yeah, I had to like bring the drone down, and luckily they didn't like ask me to delete any of the footage. Otherwise that would have been really bad. But you know, I was asked to stop flying. A couple of my photos were taken, which I feel was weird, but yeah, that was very interesting. So yeah, that was really interesting, but at the time it was also very scary because I had heard stories about people who had their drones confiscated. So I am very happy that that wasn't the case for me. And I think they took a few of my photos, so that's probably next time if I do the same thing. I can't play the card of I don't know what's going on, or I didn't know I wasn't supposed to fly. So I guess next time if I'm droning in Shanghai, I have to be a lot more careful. So yeah, on with the video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, do not forget to leave a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.